What's up, Loc Nation? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Kenyatta here, and today I have another banger for you guys. As you guys know, Updo season is upon us, and this style here fits right into the mix. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this chunky twist lock petal updo. So if you like to see how it's done, keep on watching. So to do this style, what you want to do is go ahead and put your chunky twist or your two-strand twist into a ponytail. This style is pretty straightforward. Once you put your chunky twist or your two-strand twist in a ponytail, we're going to go ahead and get started with these petals. Whenever I'm doing petals and I'm using chunky twists or plaits, I use a different method other than the traditional method of making lock petals, and I'm going to show you that method today. So the first thing that I do is take a chunky twist, okay, and this is pretty long, all right, and depending on the length of your hair is going to determine how many times you fold your petal. So here I'm going to fold it down one time. Gonna go ahead and add a rubber band. And the next step to creating this petal is fold it down again. Take your twist. We're gonna fold it down one more time, just like so. Getting that bottom closest to the root or the base of the petal. Get that rubber band as close to the base as you can, all right? So that's the second loop. As you can see, we have some huge bunny ear looking petals here. And just like I say, whenever I'm doing traditional lock petals, I know it looks crazy right now, but trust the process, okay? Trust the process. The next step is to take these two here, and once again, we're gonna fold them down, just like so, okay? And we're going to take a rubber band and secure the base. All right, super cute. I'm going to do that twice. Now with these, see, we have our little petals here. There's our first petal there. And like I said, trust the process. So we're going to move on and do another one. Grab another chunky twist. And it's going to be the exact same thing. We're going to take the end and we're just going to literally bring it right there to the base. We're gonna add a rubber band. So, one bunny ear, one loop. Same method, we're gonna go in again, take our loop, we're gonna fold it down, just like so. Keep in mind that this is my method of doing petals whenever I am using either plaits or chunky twists, okay? I am pretty sure that everyone does not use this method of doing petals when using chunky twists or plaits, but this is how I do it, all right? And it works pretty well for me. I'm gonna continue. We're gonna do it one more time. We're folding down. Folding down. Hold that hair at the base. And once again, I have to say, I know it doesn't look like much right now. Trust the process, guys. Trust me, okay? Same method. We're going to take a chunky twist and we're going to fold it down right to the base, okay? Sorry that's in the way. Right to the base. Rubber band. We're gonna take this one and fold down one time. And we're folding down those two loops. Secure with a rubber band. So the process of doing these petals is pretty repetitive, and I'm going to do the same thing. No. Original.
Just say no. man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. You see the beat of a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. Original bad man. You see the beat of a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place.
Body nice. See I got them here, them a moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Man, I tell her when she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm on low. Man, I tell her when she go low. Bad man, I put you in a photo. I count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me I put you on a first class.
No, 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 no. You see the beat of a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. You see the beat of a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place. You see the beat of a bad man mash up the place, then a bad man mash up the place.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through.
So as you can see, I've done about 75% of my petals off camera, and I wanted to come in and just give you guys a quick tip. So if you're doing this style and you have shorter locks, go ahead and fold 2 times. Or if you have shorter locks, you can fold 1 time. Whatever works for you, okay?
Lego. Original man. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I chilling in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. I spitting for me bars, me, I never back down. 1, 2, 3, me up on the countdown, man down. If you test me, man down. Original bad man, me I run town. Them try to downgrade, bad man fi upgrade. Then try to evade, bad man fi evade. They can't believe it, they love how I spit it. They know I'm gon' kill it, and they know I'm gon' kill it. When they say it's about nothing, man, I tell them it's my life. Man, I tell them in the studio, man, I vibing, it's my life. And to play, then they use me to play. Man, I vibing all day. Man, I use me to play. Counting up these stocks, just trying to make a million. Spitting these bars from deep down within. You already know it's a killing when I'm spitting. If you're a hater, you can see me when you see me.
Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching my video. I really do appreciate it. Share this video with all of your friends and family with locks. Any locticians that you know seeking lock styling inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, and let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you never miss a video from your girl. Y'all know I rock with y'all the long way, right? You better know it. It's your girl Kenyatta here. Peace.